Question number 17. When an object of mass m is raised through a vertical height delta h, its grain of gravitational potential energy is given by this formula. G is the acceleration due to free fall. Definition of which physical quantity is needed to derive this equation. Okay, so is acceleration required? No, acceleration is not required. Then momentum, is it required? Momentum is also not required to derive this. Power is also not required. Work done is very much required. Why? How do you derive this equation? If you ask me, this is the earth over here. You have an object of mass m here. You take this object, lift it, and you keep it at this point over here. Okay, let me say this point here, this is point B, and this height is delta h. Now you ask me the statement, what is the work done by you against moving against the gravity, which would now be equal to force multiplied by displacement. What is the force over here? You are going against gravity, which is mg, and what is the value of s over here? S is nothing but you are going upwards over here, which is delta h. See, we have arrived at this equation. So here use work done to arrive at this equation. Thus, the last option D is the right answer.